Hi everyone, I'm Nuri Andrew Arbazar, and in this video, I'll share what I learned about career planning. As a grade 12 student, this topic helped me understand how important it is to think ahead about our future careers and personal goals. Career planning isn't just about picking a job, it's about knowing ourselves, what we love, what we're good at, and what kind of life we want. It helps us make smarter choices, especially now that we're nearing graduation. One of my favorite concepts is ikigai, which is a Japanese word for reason for being. It's like a guide to finding the perfect career by balancing what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. We also talked about career exploration, where we research different paths and find out what we might enjoy. Proactive career management taught me that I should start building my future now by setting goals, learning new skills, and being open to change. And most importantly, we should match our career with our values, vision, and goals so that our work actually feels fulfilling. This really helped me realize that I shouldn't just go with what's popular or what people tell me to do. If I want to enjoy my job in the future, it has to fit me. These lessons are useful for choosing the right college course or even side hobbies that build your skills. Before, I felt confused and unsure, but now I have a clearer idea of what to look for and what steps to take. Career planning showed me that I'm in control of my path and that it's okay not to have all the answers yet. What matters is that I start exploring. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand how career planning can really make a difference. Let's start preparing for a future that fits us, not just what others expect. See you next time.